What up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are back inside the machine, and I want to show you guys an effect that was made popular by Pharrell. And this is a stutter effect that he does in the beginning of all of his songs here, or most of his songs. So I want to go ahead and show you guys how to do that inside a machine. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and please do not forget to turn on the bell notifications so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first one to be notified. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's tutorial, which is the Pharrell Stutter effect. And it's going to sound something like this here. All right, so the first thing that we want to do is basically duplicate our scenes here. So I'm working on a Mac, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit Option here. Hold Option, and I'm going to click the scene here. I'm just going to drag over, and that's going to duplicate my scene. Now, because of my settings, the pattern didn't get duplicated with the scene here. So what I want to do is go ahead and duplicate the pattern that's inside the scene as well. All right, so I'm going to take that, drag it down there. I'm holding down Option. I'm just clicking and dragging. All right, so for tidy purposes, I just want to go ahead and name this intro. All right. So I just double clicked and name that intro. And then for here, I just want to go ahead and hit Command R. So I'm just going to click that, hit Command R, type this intro. And I'm going to do the same thing for this one here, Command R. We're going to do intro. So now we have a duplicate of our patterns and our scenes here. All right, so let me go ahead and play that there. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. So it's all the same there. The next thing that we want to go ahead and do is we want to be able to drag these over here all the way to 1.2. But you notice if I just click and drag, I can't get any further than this right here. What is this? A bar of a loop? And that's because our grids are not set up. But a way around that is that you can hold down the Shift key and you can click the end of this and just drag it to 1.2 right around there. And we're going to do the same thing for the intro here on Group A. So I'm just going to go ahead and zoom out here. So we're going to go ahead and click the end of this here and drag it all the way to 1.2 right around there. So now when we play it back, we got a nice little loop there. All right. So we have scene one, and then we have our intro. All right. So from there, we want to go ahead and switch over to our song mode. So when we're composing the song, we just come up here and then we want to just click. I do a right click here and I like to do intro. All right. So notice how it pretty much did one of that. So I'm just going to go ahead and click right in here. And then I'm just going to drag over and that's going to fill up my space there. And then the next thing I want to do is do the same thing, but click scene one. So now when I play it back from the beginning, it's going to stutter, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then play my scene one here. So let's go ahead and listen to that. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. And that's pretty much how you basically create the Pharrell Stutter effect. All right. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. If you have any questions, make sure you drop them down below. If you like this tutorial, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And we will see you on the next tutorial. It's your boy Young Fizz. Thank you for watching. We out.